If AB is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A 10, -6 and B K, 4, and if A minus 2B is equal to 18, find the value of K and the distance AB. So let this line be the line joining the two points A 10, -6 and B K, 4. अब इन दोनों का midpoint से this is C. The coordinates of midpoint given here is A, B. Therefore, A is equal to 10 plus K by 2 and B is equal to -6 plus 4 by 2. This is equal to -2 by 2 equal to -1. Therefore, the coordinates of C will be 10 plus K by 2, -1. Now the condition given to us here is A minus 2B is equal to 18. So substituting the value of A and B, 10 plus K by 2 minus 2 into -1 is equal to 18. So 10 plus K by 2 plus 2 is equal to 18. 10 plus K by 2 is equal to 18 minus 2. 10 plus K is equal to 18 minus 2 is 16 and this 2 will go to other side. So it will become 16 into 2. K is equal to 16 2 is 32 minus 10. K is equal to 32 minus 10 will be 22. Now value of K तो निकल गई. अब we have to find AB. By distance formula, AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 और x2 की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ से मिलेगी. So AB is equal to under root 10 minus k. K is 22. So 10 minus 22 whole square plus -6 minus 4. So -6 minus 4 whole square is equal to under root 12 square plus -6 minus 4 is -10. -10 square is 100 is equal to under root 144 plus 100 equal to under root 244. So 244 के prime factors क्या होंगे? 244, 2 ones are 2s are 2s are 2. Now 61. So final answer here is AB is equal to 2 root 61 units.